How to top up a PayPal account with a credit card. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to top up a PayPal account with a credit card. An alternative way to top up your PayPal may be to add money to PayPal with a credit card or debit card. Though, it's good to know that this service isn't always available for credit cards, depending on how your PayPal is set up, so you may need to pick another option from your list. When you set up your PayPal account, you will have the choice to link one or more bank accounts and cards. At this stage, if you choose to add a debit or credit card or two to your account, you may be able to use these to add balance to PayPal. Go to your PayPal wallet. Then, click Link a debit or credit card. Follow the instructions to link your card manually by completing a verification step, or automatically by logging into your online banking service. Once your preferred card is linked, you can follow the steps outlined above to add funds from a linked account to add money. Simply select the card you want to use as a payment method instead of a bank account and follow the on-screen prompts. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.